And when I say Omai, I'm not referring to Ghana or Nigeria, because you are a nation. First Peter chapter 2 and verse number 9. You are a chosen generation, a royal priesthood, a holy nation, a peculiar people, a people purchased of his own. He has called you out of darkness into the marvelous light of Jesus Christ. Out of darkness into light. It is a meme worry and I say my worry. Na me hunu we na me send pe me hunu we na me send pe ma se ma be se 5 pe me ni omu na da but me tiri mu no me worry obi a entiase abome. It me am nam we se me timi catch microphone se me Okwasea me ye Okwasea me am nam ho me jimi che nipa bi a wo wiase. That is what I should be telling myself. So me ware na me family yire ne wo na me sorry anopa na me se me yire no me mo na kon homa abofra no nso me hwe no a me Okwasea. I have a din sharp. Me think. I have a din sharp. Na me sorry na me tamska na me de akoma me mpena na me ne me mpena ne anoa anwa mo ne yedi na yete baabi na me yire tefie no osu entiase abome me Okwasea. He says that in Deuteronomy 32 and verse number 6. He goes to verse number 6 and said, he said, and do this, say this to them, oh foolish and unwise people. It's not your father that brought you, that bought thee. It's not thy father that had bought thee, and had he not made thee and established thee, that you are already established. If you are not seeing that establishment, it is because you have decided not to apply the understanding in being the born again experience in the life that is in Christ. The Bible said, if a man be in Christ, he's a new creation. All things passes away and everything becomes new. In fact, you see, this thing about the gospel is not just showing up in church. Anytime you show up in church, when I see you, I must be able to see the Christ in you.